you are not getting views, you are not getting subscribers, and you actually feel or you know that your channel is stopped, come closer. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dolapo. So, in today's video, I'll be talking more on how we upload our video. Yes, I know we all are beginners in this content creation journey, but for the fact that I've been on this YouTube street for the past 2 years, I have tried so many things. All right, I have tried so many things, and yeah, on this channel I share things that I've tried that worked for me. I bring it on here for us to actually learn from it together. So I know as a small content creator, you might not know this. These few things I'm going to be mentioning in this video, you might not know this. So I am imploring you to please make use of this video properly and you start taking this step. All right. Now let's jump right into today's topic. Now today's topic is about the way we upload. Many of us are uploading the wrong way, and the number one on the list is a file name, changing of file name. Yes, you might be wondering what this is. Yes, there's a particular, I'll be showing you a screen record, and I'll be showing you how you can actually change this file name, that actually the file name has to actually tally with the video you're uploading on YouTube. Most of us don't know that. Okay, YouTube is a search engine optimization app or website. Yes, by the time we upload our video and we actually upload it that way without changing the file name, it might affect how our video is going to skyrocket on the YouTube street. So guys, for changing of file name, all you have to do is to come to your photo gallery. All right, I'm using an iPhone right now. You can also do this on an Android phone. So you come to your gallery and you pick on the video you want to upload. So right now I'll pick this particular video, then I'll just swipe it up. As you can see, some people add their captions there, add caption. By the end of the day, if you add it, it will not reflect in your files. All right, it will not reflect in your files. So all you have to do, I'm coming, let me quickly save this image. I like it, I can use it for my thumbnail. So that being said, all you have to do now is to click on this arrow. After clicking on this arrow, just click, you scroll down, then you see save to files. You click on it. After you might have clicked on it, you will delete this. All right, because if you leave this file like this, that's how it's going to upload on YouTube, and the algorithm will just find your video lost and might not actually publish the video to more audience. So all you have to do is how to edit file name. So, and all I have to do now is just to save it. I'm going to save it. It's going to save in my file. Now let me quickly take you to my file. Okay, as you can see, this is the video here. This is the video, and it have actually saved to my files. So for this particular method, you should have your video ready and your thumbnail ready. So the same title you use for your thumbnail should be the same title you use for your video. I don't know if you get it. These are my thumbnails. If just the way we did the video editing, I don't know, let me look for a particular video. Okay, if I'm using this picture for my thumbnail, all I have to do is just to click on save to file. Sorry, you can see I'll delete this, then I'll save it with my topic, with my title. All right, now let me show you why this is important to do like this. Let me quickly head on to my Chrome browser to show you what I meant by doing this. So let me show you what's going on. Okay guys, so I've actually logged in into my account and this is what it's looking like. So let me quickly show you why I asked you to change your file name. So I'll click on create new content. All right, create new content, then I'll click on upload a video. Yeah, upload. Okay, then it's going to ask me to select files. All right, then you're going to not you will not choose your photo library. You will not choose your photo or video. You choose file. You choose file. So the video that I just edited, you can see it here. I'm going to click on it and open. It will automatically drag it down to YouTube. Now did you see what I'm talking about? Okay, let me zoom this in. So here we have our title, and our title name is carrying our title, like our normal title. So no need of you writing, or even if you just want to do some workings on it, you can actually do it. But I advise that your title should be correct with your file. And here is the file name. This is the file name. This is the main reason why we have to edit it from our phone before we upload. You doing it like this, it will send the YouTube algorithm by YouTube scans the way we upload our video. So it's going to tell the YouTube algorithm what your video is all about. All right. The number two way we are getting it all wrong is re-uploading from our mobile phone. In another video now, I'm going to be showing you how you can upload on your desktop site even without a system. Yes, guys, it's not a must you have a laptop before you actually upload on a desktop site. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step process on how you can upload your videos on a desktop site. Okay guys, let me show you how you can request a desktop site. So this is me literally, let me back it so you can see what I did. I'm on my Chrome browser. After clicking on my Chrome browser, I'll click on this plus button, then I'll click on YouTube. All right, it's going to load up like this. This is how it's going to load up. All I have to do now is to click on these three dots down here, then I'll request desktop site. This way is going to give me the perfect desktop site I wanted. All right, all I have to do is just to click on my picture here, then I'll click on YouTube Studio. It's going to show me exactly how it's going to be on my system. So this is how you actually request a desktop site. Then you click on create, then you upload your image. All right, I mean your video. So the number three way we upload so wrong, and we keep doing this all the time, is reusing the same hashtag. Okay, for an example now, I might be making a video on how to make money online, and I also have a video of tutorials on my channel. You don't expect me to use the same hashtag I use for how to make money online for a YouTube tutorial, right? So most of us, you can actually make use of your description. Yes, you can make use of your tag. You can make use of your title. You can reuse them. YouTube actually made it very simple for us to do all this. So I'm going to take you to my screen to actually teach you how you can always do this. Please always change your hashtag in every video you are uploading. All right, so let me show you how you can do this properly. For the last one, guys, if you know you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please support your baby girl. Please kindly smash that subscribe button. Let me like this video, and please don't forget to drop a beautiful comment in the comment section. As you can see, we are all trying to grow together. So that being said, the last option I have for you to say is that you should upload the same time. and also upload daily. Now, this is what I meant by this. If you are to upload every day, okay, let's pick for an instance, you upload 3 o'clock every day. You upload 3 o'clock today, you are expected to upload 3 o'clock tomorrow. So the algorithm will know that okay, this particular channel publish videos every day and it's always 3 o'clock. I'm working on that because I myself am not consistent with that. So I'm actually working on that now. Please let's endure and let's endeavor to actually post the same time we post on a daily basis, and please let us post daily. Now you might be wondering, as a small content creator like myself trying to grow, how do I know all these tips? All these tips are what I've tried and it's working for me. All right, all these tips are what I've tried and it's working for me. So, and I don't feel it's a bad idea if you can also actually try it out yourself. And if you try it, you see that your channel will actually change for good. So that will be all for now in today's video. Thank you so much for watching from beginning to the end, and thank you for subscribing, because I'm very sure you have actually subscribed to my channel, and thank you for liking this video. So I'll be seeing you in my next video. Till then, bye.